In my previous videos, I advised you all to use other kinds of browsers like Firefox, Brave, Tor browser. Reason being because of data and privacy concerns. But like I said, it's not to say that those platforms are perfect. They also have their own problems and issues. So the fact of the matter is you still need Google Chrome. Perhaps you don't use it to search things that are confidential. Perhaps try and put the keystroke software off, which is predictive text, because obviously it is, in order to give you predictive text, it's obviously memorizing your keystrokes. So there is keystroke software implemented, definitely. So yeah, you still need Google Chrome. Reason being is because they hold the majority of the market share, and obviously through their different platforms and in collaboration with its partners like Facebook, the App Store, Apple. They've got YouTube. They recently launched YouTube Shorts on the YouTube platform, and then they also got the Google Play Store, which is where most applications are still at this very moment. But recently a court ruled that Google should pay their app developers, I think it was, they compensated their app developers in the region of $90 billion, something in that region, if I'm not mistaken, which is a good start at least. But yeah, the fact of the matter is they are a monopoly. And yeah, there needs to be more competition in the tech space. That's just the bottom line. And I don't have anything against Google Chrome, but I just think, yeah, America really needs to diversify the economy if they want to grow further. Like Elon Musk says, to broaden the scope of consciousness. And that is the truth. We need to broaden the scope of consciousness as much as we can, as much as possible. But in order to do so, we need more competition in the tech space. We need to give others a chance to prove that they can do a better job. Definitely. And I think people will also in turn be more productive when they see things are a little bit fairer. Yeah, and that's all I have to say. But the fact of the matter is you still need Google Chrome as a browser. You don't need to use it, you don't need to set it as your default browser. And yeah, that's all I mean.